Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make chapathi noodles. Chapathi noodles is a healthier version of the regular Hakka noodles, and this is ideal for kids for the evening snacker as this is full of taste and full of nutrition. So do check out this video, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this chapathi noodles. For making chapathi noodles, first I'm going to take this chapathi dough or the wheat dough, and I'm going to roll this without folds in a circular manner. Once the chapatis are rolled, we need to fry this. We need to fry this slightly, only for few seconds, both sides. Keep water for boiling. So take these chapatis and cut them into long pieces. So these are done, and now we shall boil this for 60 seconds. Here I kept water for boiling, and I'll add little oil and then add this chapati. So this is done, and we shall strain the water. Keep this to cool down for few minutes. Add oil to the pan and add garlic. Add onions sliced. Add carrot, beans. Add some spring onion. Add some pepper, black pepper. Add green chili paste. Red chili paste. Add soya sauce. Add a small spoon of vinegar. So here the chapati noodles is ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.